In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to crochet this pretty cluster cord, sometimes called a pearl cord. I'm going to start with a slip knot. And now we're going to chain 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now to start our cluster, we're going to yarn over and insert our hook into the 3rd chain from where we are now. I'm going to yarn over 1, 2, 3. So we're going to go into this one here, but we don't want to just capture the single strand here. We want to be able to go through 2 strands like so. 1, 2. Going to yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2 loops on your hook, yarn over, go back into the same chain, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2 chains on your hook, and yarn over and pull through 3. And that's our first cluster. Going to chain 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and again we're going to yarn over and insert our hook into the 3rd chain from the hook, but not just under this single strand. We're going to capture this one too. So we're going to yarn over 1, 2, 3, this one, and under both of these strands, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2 loops on your hook, yarn over, go back into the same chain under these 2 loops. Now we have 4 loops on the hook, yarn over, pull through 2 only, yarn over and pull through all 3. That's our second cluster. Chain 4, 1, 2, 3, and 4, and we're going to yarn over and insert our hook into the 3rd chain from our hook under both bits of yarn. Yarn over, 1, 2. So you've got 2 here. Yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2 loops on the hook, yarn over and go back into the same stitch, again under both, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 3. That's our 3rd one. I'll show you a couple more times. Chain 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, yarn over, go into the 3rd chain from your hook and pick up 2 bits of yarn. Oh, didn't work this time. There we go. Yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2 loops on your hook, yarn over, go back into the same stitch, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2, and yarn over, pull through 3. And again, chain 4, yarn over and insert your hook into the third chain from the hook under both bits of yarn. Can get a little bit fiddly, so you have 2 strands on the top and just the one underneath your hook. We'll yarn over and pull through. Now we'll yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, go back into the same stitch, we'll yarn over, pull through 2, and yarn over and pull through 3.